The MT7 joystick controls the hydraulic functions of any trackless attachment connected to the tractor. The MT7 has pre-programmed joystick functions that control specific aspects of each attachment. More information on attachment-specific joystick functions can be found within each corresponding attachment manual. The F&R switch allows the selection of either forward, neutral, or reverse. With the tractor in either high or low range, placing the switch in F will allow the tractor to move forward. Placing the switch in R will allow the tractor to move in reverse, and will also activate the backup, camera, and backup alarm. The joystick mode switch, leftmost switch in the middle bank of switches, allows the operator to have a set of pre-selected hydraulic circuits active depending on the attachment in use. Mode A. This mode is most often used for mowers and plows. In Mode A, the blue circuit allows for simultaneous operation of the red and yellow hydraulic circuits. The main lift circuit is always selected, and the green circuit can be activated by holding the corresponding green function button during normal use. All other circuits maintain normal operation. Mode B. This mode is often used for the cold planer and the front end loader. In Mode B, the green and yellow hydraulic circuits are active by default. The main lift and red circuits can be used by holding the corresponding functions buttons down. All other circuits maintain normal operation. Mode C. This mode is often used for snowblowers. In Mode C, the red and green circuits are active by default. The main lift and yellow circuits can be activated by holding the corresponding function buttons. All other circuits maintain normal operation. Main float button. With the attachment on the ground, the main float button is used to allow the attachment to float with the contours of the terrain. Main lift. Selecting the main lift button on the joystick allows for operation of the main lift cylinders. Pulling the joystick back will raise the attachment, and pushing the joystick forward will lower the attachment. Blue circuit. The blue circuit is only available in joystick Mode A. The blue circuit operates both the red and yellow hydraulic circuits simultaneously in opposite directions. The function is useful for V-plows and 10 and 14-foot rotary mowers, allowing both wings to be extended or retracted at the same time. Yellow circuit. The function of the yellow circuit varies depending on the attachment equipped. Pressing the yellow circuit button selects the yellow hydraulic circuit operations, and left or right movement on the joystick will activate the functions of the yellow circuit. Green circuit. The function of the green circuit varies depending on the attachment equipped. Pressing the green circuit button selects the green hydraulic circuit operations, and forward or back movements on the joystick will activate the functions of the green circuit. Red circuit. The function of the red circuit varies depending on the attachment equipped. Pressing the red circuit button selects the red hydraulic circuit operations, and left or right movement on the joystick will activate the functions of the red hydraulic circuit. Float buttons. Pressing the yellow, green, or red hydraulic circuit float button will cause the currently equipped attachment to float. This will allow fluid to flow freely from one side of the circuit to the other at a restricted rate. Float is also used for hooking and unhooking attachments. This releases pressure on the hydraulic lines.